Look at that. You know what I mean? Oh, would you look at that? Would you look at that? Oh my gosh, just look at it. Just look at it. Just look at it.
It's exactly like the factory. And the reason why I went with this is because I tried a little bit of automotive black, but it had like a brown hue to it. So I was like, screw it. I got some Rustoleum right there. And I know they had said before, like, oh, you can't clear automotive clear over Rustoleum, but it worked. It worked out pretty good. And I'm gonna show you the process.
Yeah, I got an electric lawnmower. You know how California be, always on everyone's case. So I guess now, while I mix up this clear, you can go ahead and enjoy some random funny shit.
I'm a pancake, I'm a pancake, do-do-do-do-do-do, I'm a pancake, do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do, I'm a pancake, do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do.
So I base coated the piece with Rustoleum flat black the day before, in order to allow it to cure somewhat. ChatGPT said to wait about 5 to 6 days, but I don't have patience for all that, so I'm doing it the next day. My first coat is from about 14 inches away in order to lay it down tacky. Second coat is gonna go on normal. Decided to wet down the floor to try to cut down on some of the contaminants. I have been shooting right around 29 psi. Going kind of heavy on this one spot to cover up a crack that happened from sitting out in the sun.
Fill in that crack.
And just to prove that I did use Rustoleum the day before, here I am using some more to color up this burn mark I made while sanding it prior to clear.
I wasn't expecting it to be this good.
No?
I was expecting to, try it. I was gonna say, it's okay, not the best, not the worst. But it is surprisingly good.
I like to spray close but fast. That's how I always achieve the wet look. I am not saying I am the best, but this is how I do it. I noticed a small bubble here, so I decided to pop it with my paint gun needle to fill it with more clear. It ended up popping up again out of camera, so I poked it again and filled in with a dab of clear. So, I know some of you are wondering if I ever get the cops called on me for smell and noise complaints, and the answer is yes.
Coming to you live, local man arrested for spray painting in his own backyard. Here you can see him trying to escape authorities.
This is what really happens when they show up and see the cool cars I am working on. Going to wait 15 minutes. Now I'm going to lay it down heavy so any dirt particles can be buffed out later. While I start cleaning up my mess, I can tell you how I had to order a new stereo, because the last one was having some issues, and the new one is being shipped from this secluded place overseas. I should be getting it within a week, and I'll get to work on the install video. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe in order to help me out to be able to keep making more videos. The more support I get from my audience, the better the videos will be able to become in the future. The rest of this video is basically about me cleaning up after myself, almost like an ASMR without an expensive mic. Finished product came out very nice.